out here today in western Louisville, right on the banks of the Ohio River, at a brand new boat ramp. Interestingly enough, I have Michael Scott here, who is the Director of Engineering, Information, and several other things, right?
Yeah.
This was one of the projects that you guys worked on. This is a brand new boat ramp right here in western Louisville.
Yeah, it's one of our engineering projects, and so I am the Division Director of the Engineering, Infrastructure, and Technology Division for the department. This project started a long time ago, but actual construction we started back in spring of 2020, and we started the earthwork and all the construction, concrete work to get this boat ramp in place. And then it was a partnership with the city of Louisville. They came in behind us, and we built the boat ramp portion. They built the parking lot portion, and they finished that up in the spring of 2021.
This is a really interesting project because, you know, the Ohio River offers so much opportunity. There you go.
Oh, she just barely hooked too.
Got a double, haven't been here 20 minutes. Ohio River, catfish at its finest right there.
But you gotta be able to access the water, right? This is right below the falls, and it's on a stretch where in Kentucky, I don't know how far down you gotta go to get to the next boat ramp.
Kentucky side, there's not another boat ramp for a long ways, and this is excellent access for our largest population city, and so it's perfect fit to get the people on the water that's close to them.
We're gonna launch the boat here, and we're gonna make our way up. You know, it's early October. It's a good time of year to catch hybrid bass.
Yeah.
Now, it takes special precautions. We're gonna be life jacketed up from the time we leave. I'll tell you what, if you're gonna come down here and do this, first couple of times, you probably need to come with somebody who's got a lot of experience. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna fish till hopefully right up about dark, and you know, I know they've been catching big fish.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it.
Let's do it. And that's where we're gonna catch fish.
I got one.
You got him? Looks like a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a good one. That didn't take long.
No. All right, there he is. Oh. Perfect.
That's why we get to the net under him, man. That was awesome.
Saved him.
I tell you what, we just got up here and made a couple casts. You caught that one. I've been bumped a time or two. Look at that. What a beautiful fish.
That's awesome. Probably 5 minutes or so.
And you're just throwing just a fluke?
Yeah.
And just a normal Zoom fluke, nothing special, 4-inch fluke, and right up there. Now listen, this is not something for the faint of heart. This is a situation where you gotta have jackets on. You don't know the river and know exactly what you're doing, you could really get hurt.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, this is a healthy fish. If you were out on the lake, you know, for a hybrid, you go, oh, that's a pretty good fish. Man, I'll tell you what, this is probably what you think, 4-pounder?
Yeah.
They get really, really big down here. Like,
Yeah.
it wouldn't surprise me one bit if we don't catch a 6, 8, 9, 10-pounder. Very possible. Well, nice job, Michael.
Awesome.
Oh, here we go. Oh man, you add one, how hard these things fight, and then you add this current. Gotcha. Looks like a brother or sister to exactly what you caught.
Yeah.
A little smaller. Man, I'll tell you what though, there is absolutely very few things more exciting than a hybrid bass in heavy current, catching one of those.
I've heard, I don't know if it's true or not, but I've heard they're one of the hardest fighting fish pound for pound in fresh water.
Oh, I don't doubt it. And I'm throwing a little fluke, almost the same thing, a little green on the end. We went with the bedazzled head because that's all they had. And I really don't think in this current, it really matters. As long as they like it, I like it.
They seem to be liking it right now.
Oh, I saw that.
I got him.
You got him up there in the current. I saw your line bounce real hard.
Can't tell what I got. He's swimming towards me, maybe. Doesn't feel too big, but he hasn't.
Oh, that's good. A good one. That's a good one.
He was just swimming towards me.
Oh, got it.
Got him.
He's not happy about it. What a joy. How much fun is this?
It's a blast. Hard to beat. Yeah.
It is hard to beat. Yeah. Now, it takes a little work. It comes with some inherent risk. It takes some education. And you know, what you can't see is that this trolling motor is not able to hold us in this place. We literally have a boat jockey driving us to keep us in the right position. Hey, nice fish.
Thanks. Let's catch some more.
So Michael, obviously boat ramps are a big part of what your engineering department does, but what other projects do you guys work on that sportsmen and women, as they travel the state, may not realize that the Fish and Wildlife has an engineering department that is responsible for that?
Yeah, there's a wide variety of projects that we cover and oversee. A lot of the shooting ranges we have on our WMAs were constructed by our engineering division over the years, and we maintain those and keep those up and do any renovations or repairs we need to those. I mean, just simple parking lots. Like recently we built a new parking lot on Palmer Road access at Taylorsville Lake WMA. That's springtime white bass run, and it's just a wide variety of things that we find ourselves getting into. And some of it is behind the scenes that you may not think of us being involved with, but our division is the technology side of it. And that's, if you go online and buy your hunting and fishing license, you're using a program that was developed in-house by our IT staff to purchase that license. And so they've got, I think, 90 plus systems, some of them public facing, some of them just support the mission of the department.
So if you hunt and fish in the state of Kentucky, you're in some form or fashion, you're interacting with the engineering department, with the Department of Fish and Wildlife somehow.
Yeah.
The simple aspect of buying a license or telechecking an animal or launching a boat, all that, you guys are involved in some form.
Oh, gotta go. Yeah, all right.
I think he wanted my rod. Oh yeah, there we go. They all look like they're the exact same year.
Yeah.
It's a little smaller here too, but man, I'll tell you one thing. They hit there in that current and they take off. It's just hold on. Just a beautiful fish.
I got one right there on the wall. Oh yeah.
Nice. You were right on the wall, huh? That's where I just got hit too. Literally, like, I thought I was hung up. I was so close. I got the net ready whenever you get it in.
Oh, he's running now. Coming up. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, a little better.
A little bit bigger.
Yep, definitely bigger. There you go, man. That's a good one.
Nice.
I tell you what, you take a fish that powerful, you think about all the bait that's coming through there and it's all distressed and disoriented. That fish is strong enough to go right where it wants and chase it right up against that wall. You literally caught that, how close to that wall?
Right on the wall, maybe 2 feet from it.
2 feet.
Yeah.
So you gave it a nice, easy piece of bait, nice prey, and the thing took advantage.
Sure did.
Great fish, man.
Thanks. Surf fishing.
Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go. Still a pretty good fish. Man, they are so aggressive. Look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. I tell you what, Mike, think about this fish started in a fish hatchery.
Yeah.
Because these hybrids, they don't reproduce naturally. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Definitely fun to get out here and put one of our projects to use, and definitely hope to make it back out sometime.
Oh yeah. So, hey, I really appreciate you coming out today.
All right.
It's been an absolute blast. Let's get this fish back in.